Hey, are you alright?
Yeah, what's up? You look like a zombie.
Huh? What door?
Man, are you loco?
Have you been nodding off? You seem kind of out of it.
Dude, you're supposed to be our leader. Get your head in the game.
Come on, let's go.
So, this is it, huh?
I hope I don't get lost.
Can you all hear me?
Whoa, is that you, Senpai?
I'll be providing audio backup from here on out.
Wait, you mean you can see inside here?
It's my persona's ability. I'd like to join you, but the structure of Tartarus changes from day to day. That's why outside support is imperative.
Well, that makes me feel a whole lot better.
Now, based on your current location, you can expect to encounter enemies at any minute. They shouldn't be too tough, but proceed with caution. Practice makes perfect.
Right.
Got it. Why is she always like that?
Takiba has informed me about your power, but nevertheless, you have minimal combat experience. Would you like me to explain the basics? The primary offensive options available to you in battle are attack and skill. Attack corresponds to the weapon you've equipped. Those skills consume either stat. Use whichever. Keep attack. That's it for now. Okay.
Defeat it!
Take that! Who's the man?
Now's a good time for me to explain about attack properties. Do you want to know more? Nearly every type of attack is a for example, swords, skills on. Now most enemy fires with my. Do you follow? The enemy. Attack again! One more! Yes, excellent attack. Just one more!
Can't lose to him. Who's the man?
Were you able to exploit the enemy's weakness in the last battle? If you didn't already notice, doing so will also grant you an. Would you like more detail? An enemy will lose its balance. This will give you the opportunity to. In other words, you'll get to do one more thing. You can keep attacking the same enemy, and if you succeed in knocking, which means you can remain on the offensive. This strategy is essential to securing victory. However, remember this: you can't knock down someone who's now. So don't hesitate to ask me for an analysis. Got it? Then proceed with the battle. Roger. I'll attempt to analyze the enemy. A wisely chosen attack.
Get him!
You exploited the enemy's weakness. A wisely chosen attack.
Here's our chance. Let's get him! Get back here, you son of a...
There is a better way to defeat all of you. Can perform an all-out attack. Then, shadows, there may be this back. You exploited the enemy's weakness. Yes, the enemy is vulnerable. Attack! You attacked the enemy's weak point. Attack again!
Here's our chance. Let's get him! Get back here, you son of a... Destruction.
Everyone, spread out and proceed individually.
Okay, then I'll look around some more.
Welcome back. So, how was it? I see. Well, if you gained confidence, that's the best thing you could have achieved.
Wow, I never knew I had that kind of power. But damn, I'm beat.
That's because you were bouncing around like a little kid.
Yeah, you look pretty tired yourself, Yucatan.
I'm still trying to catch my breath, actually.
That's the effect of the dark hour. You'll become fatigued more easily. Don't worry, though. You'll adapt. But I'm surprised. You all did much better than I expected. At this rate, they'll catch up to you in no time, Akihiko.
We'll see about that.
That concludes the main portion of today's assembly. Next, we'll hear a word from the Student Council. Please welcome the new president, Mitsuru Kirijo, from Class 3D.
Thank you.
So, she did get elected. Well, I guess she is the most popular girl in school.
You can say that again. There's like some kind of aura around her. Besides, this school's owned by the Kirijo group, right?
As I begin my term as Student Council President, I'd like to share with you my vision for this coming year. It is my firm belief that each of us must accept the responsibility of bettering our school. However, change cannot occur without sustained effort and an unprecedented level of commitment. That is why we must restructure our daily lives to accommodate this lofty goal. I'd like each of you to dig deeply into your well of motivation and reevaluate your convictions, to imagine a bold new future without losing sight of the realities around you. That is the key. I'm certain that many of you have your own visions of the future. For us to reap the full benefits of our education, your participation, ideas, and enthusiasm are essential. Thank you.
Dang, that was freaking amazing. So, do you have any idea what you just said? Sure didn't sound like something a high schooler would say. If it was anyone else, we'd be laughing our asses off.